Hello, my friends. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So, today reading is all about what you need to hear, like what you need to know. And I will be doing this reading on English as my English clients are also here. Soon I'll be giving more readings on Hindi also. So, today reading is all in English. Okay. So, I have here three candles. You have to choose any one of them. Okay. Pile 1 is this lavender calendar. Pile 2 is this lemongrass candle, and pile 3 is this rose candle. Okay, so you have to choose any one of them. Choose with your intuition right now. Take a deep breath and choose कीजिए अपनी कोई भी एक candle. Okay, pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. So take a minute, take a deep breath and choose your candles. Okay, hope you have chosen your candles. So I'll keep these candles aside. And let's start with our pile 1, those who have chosen this purple candle. I'll keep this over here. Okay, let burn it. Okay, I feel we should burn our candle too. So I am burning this candle right here in front of you, pile 1. So let's see what you need to hear, pile 1. What is there for pile 1? Angels will please guide me what they need to hear. What pile 1 need to hear right now? What pile 1 need to hear right now? What pile 1 need to hear right now? What they are going through? Spirits, please guide me. I don't want so many, I'll take one. What pile 1 need to hear right now? Please guide me with another card, Spirit. Okay. And I'll keep this card aside over here. There is the Emperor, which came reverse. 10 of Cups. 3 of Cups. What I am getting here, what you need to hear, angels are saying you basically somewhere you are rigiding a lot. You are like, okay, I want this right now, right away, but somewhere you are rushing right now, pile 1. You could be a fire signs and lot of water energy over here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Pisces बहुत ज़्यादा है, फायर बहुत ज़्यादा है. एरीज, लियो, सजिटेरियस. ओके, सो आप ना बहुत ज़्यादा रश कर रहे हो इस वक्त. यू आर रशिंग अ लॉट that you want to get married right now, you want to have children basically, you want to meet the person, and you are not behaving as per mature. You are being really immature right now. And I'm also sensing you want a family somewhere, you want a happy married life, you want stability. Somewhere there are your friends who are helping you to get your man or a woman right now. I'm also sensing you can have some celebration with your friends and family regarding something. You will be hearing some good news. Pile 1, let's see more what your love life need to tell Pile 1. What Pile 1 need to hear right now? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What Pile 1 need to hear right now? What Pile 1 need to hear right now? Regarding love, what is coming for them? Why there is 10 of Cups and 3 of Cups? What is in love? Somewhere I'm also sensing you are somewhere getting rigid because maybe in past life your person didn't give you enough love with the Emperor reverse. Somewhere this person was playing around with you, fooling around you. So you decided to move away, walk away from this person. You thought to protect yourself. I'm getting this energy too from your pile 1. So what pile 1 need to hear? Why there is 10 of Cups and 3 of Cups? I don't want so many cards, universe. Please give me one card. What pile 1 need to hear in love? The Devil reverse. So what pile 1 need to hear right now in love? What is coming for them? So there is 9 of Wands. Okay, this card was actually straight, so I'll take straight only. मैंने उल्टा पकड़ा हुआ था, sorry guys. So let me see what is there. 7 of Wands. Okay, right now I'm sensing the person whom you will be meeting, they can be addicted to you or a person you're dealing with. This is a proper fire sign, guys. Somewhere you are guarding yourself and this person wants you so badly. You may try a lot, but this person wants you. So you could be a fire sign or this person could be, sorry, this person is remembering you a lot. So this person is ready to give you love. Basically, I'm sensing this, and I'm also sensing that you will be meeting this person very soon with Nine of Wands energy. You are like, okay, I'm ready to give you my love too. And somewhere I'm sensing in past with the Emperor, you were like in bit of darkness. Like I told you, you were in darkness with this person. This person made you feel like nothing. But right now I'm sensing energy. Whosoever person is coming towards you, you might get addicted to them, or like you will have lots of good bondage in love and you will get the justice in the end. Right now there is something of karmic cycle is going around with you both. So let's see what your tarot need to say is. Pile 1, what is there for pile 1? Angels will please guide me what is there for pile 1, what they need to hear in both love and career, what news is coming up for them. Queen of Cups, again what is sign. Queen of Pentacles reverse, what is coming there for pile 1, what is coming there for pile 1, what is coming there for pile 1. Seven of Wands again. So I'm sensing here right now you could be like deeply thinking of your person, or your person could be somewhere. Your person is getting out of focus. They think that you are not the one for them right now. So they are deeply thinking. For most of you, I'm getting a vibe of like you are losing your focus on your work, on your money, on your financial issues. But you will get out of Seven of Wands very soon, and this person will come for you, fighting against many people around, many third parties just for you, those who have chosen pile 1. I will tell you, please don't go with sun signs, zodiacs, whatsoever it is. Please don't relate yourself in zodiacs. If your situation is this right now, this is your reading. If you want to choose your piles, change your candles, you can do that also. Okay, and end of the deck is everything is fine. So you don't have to worry, pile 1. Everything is just fine right now. Okay, so this was my reading for pile 1. Hope my reading resonated with you. Let me know on comment box if my reading resonated with you. So let's move on with our pile 2, those who have chosen this green candle. Now let's burn this candle. I hope it's get burned because this candle usually don't get burned very easily. This is like very struggling kind of pile. What I have feel, this is very struggling pile. So let me burn this candle. If it is not burning, then I feel something is going around your way. That universe don't want me to burn this candle. Yeah, this candle is not burning right now, so sorry guys, but I'll try again, once again. Okay, so this will burn. There is a light for you guys, you don't have to worry. So there are chances of light here. Okay, let's start with our pile 2. Let's see what you need to hear right now. Pile 2, angels will please guide me what pile 2 need to hear right now. Spirit angel, please guide me what pile 2 need to hear right now, what they are going through. Three of Wands, fire sign, the moon. What pile 2 need to hear right now? The Hierophant. And end of the deck is King of Pentacles. What I feel, pile 2, what I told you earlier, even without using my cards, while burning this candle, somewhere you are going on struggle. There is a weak point which is like making you more like in confused energy right now. Okay, you are waiting for blessing to come towards you right now, pile 2. You are waiting for someone even but this person might have kept you hanging around with their moon energy. This person can be intuitive like you are a witch over here if you're watching this video right now and you have chosen this pile too. So you have to work with your intuition. Universe is saying you to don't be so confused. Create a yin yang in your life, create a balance in your life, because universe is with you, God is with you. You just need to follow what you are, what are your traditions are, basically. Pile 2, don't wait, just focus on yourself. Do yoga, listen music, laugh out loud as much as you can. Pile 2, soon you will be the man or a woman with the King of Pentacles. You will be with the stability. So let's see what your love life need to tell. Pile 2, what pile 2 need to hear regarding their love life? I won't take these cards so early. What pile 2 need to hear regarding their love life? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What pile 2 need to hear regarding their love life? Okay, I got 5 of Wands under the 2 of Wands. Then there is 3 of Swords which came in reverse. You are with a third party right now. Somewhere I'm sensing your person is cheating on you. Pile 2. And secondly, I'm sensing with 5 of Wands, you want to get out of this relationship because you know you are not getting that equal love. Somewhere this person is making you wait. So you need to hear. Somewhere I'm also getting sense like you're either you are having fights with your family, friends, and you're not listening to them regarding love. Pile 2. What is there for pile 2? What they need to hear in love? I won't take so many cards. Pile 2. Please guide me with one card. Why there is 3 of Swords reverse with the Hierophant. So there is 6 of Wands. So somewhere this person is coming to get you. This could be a soulmate, guys, who have kept you in third party right now. This could be a soulmate, and this person wants to get you very badly. They are obsessing over you. This could be a fire sign and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So you might be ignoring them right now because this person have kept you keep on waiting, and you are also waiting unconditionally. So don't wait, just move on, because you will ultimately get them. If you want them, they will come to you. Pile 2, because this person could be your soulmate and they will be coming within a month. You will be getting some message, call, or you might be having union with this person. And for some, you will be meeting a new person because this person have kept you waiting and you are like you are moving on with them. So let's see more what tarot cards need to say. Pile 2, what pile 2 need to hear and what is the outcome? What pile 2 need to hear and what is the outcome? Pile 2, what is pile 2 need to hear right now and what are their outcome? So there is 5 of Swords, Queen of Wands. What pile 2 need to hear? What is the outcome of the situation? The Sun, wow. And the King of Cups over here I'm getting. So you can be both very different from each other. One is very emotional at a time and one is a bit beautiful over here but very much rude at a time. Okay, you want anything but you are beautiful. You are a witches over here. For most of you, if you are not a witch, you are taking everything in a very positive way. Plus you know what is good for you. You and this person might have conflict. Somewhere there are third parties who want you very bad, I am sensing, and you know this person or this person is interfering in your love life, but you will ignore this person and this person is right now deeply thinking about you with King of Cups energy, and they will come towards you very soon because this person sees you as their bright future. They know you are very beautiful, you have that charming personality, you can turn on anyone. Okay, Those who have chosen pile 2, you might also meet two persons now. Okay, with King of Cups over here and King of Pentacles. For some, for others, I'm sensing this person will be taking very slow move with King of Pentacles, and again they are deeply thinking right now. They are taking very 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 slow move. Plus, हो सकता है आपको एक साल में मिले. You can meet this person within a year or 2 years. Okay, I'm getting energy like this right now. But for some, I'm getting you will be meeting your soulmate very soon. If you're single over here, you will meet your divine counterpart, and you also may deal this situation, but you will end up meeting, having their child with the Ace of Chalices. Your wish will be coming true, pile 2, for some. Okay, so this was my reading for pile 2. If my reading resonated with you, let me know on comment box. Hello pile 3, this is my last reading over here. So let's blow your candle over here. Those who have chosen pink. First of all, let me tell you, you are very beautiful. You are very fashion oriented over here. Plus, you are like a light seers over here. And you have lots of lineage. So let's see what is there for you. Pile 3. You are like a rose, basically. So let's blow this candle. So I have blown this pink candle over here. This is very beautiful energy, by the way. Even in lavender, those who have chosen first pile, you are like totally soft hearted, and you're like, you want everything in a love way, in a, what to say, like you are attracted to love more, pile 1. And pile 2 with lemongrass, I sense lots of healing. Right now, you need lots of healing. Okay, so let's start with our pile 3. Those who have chosen pile 3. Let's see what is there for you. What you need to hear. What pile 3 need to hear. Angel Spirit, please guide me what pile 3 need to hear. What they are going through right now and what they need to hear. Okay. I won't take so many cards. I'll take right now this card. King of Pentacles. You could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn over here, pile 3. The Empress, fire sign. What pile 3 need to hear. Page of Cups. Okay, I'll do this like this. And end of the deck is the Wheel from my first card over here. So I'll keep this card aside. And what I'm sensing, what you need to hear is, first of all, you are getting ready to get pregnant of some of your partner over here. You are waiting then, like when you will become a mother of your child. You are waiting for abundance. And I am sensing there will be some news coming up to you, some letter from someone, or it could be a phone call. This person could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and this person will be making very 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 slow move to come towards you. Right now they are thinking what to do, what not to do. Right now they're focused on themselves, pile 3. And yes, there will be a new beginning coming up to you. The cycle is still around with the Wheel. So you are not living into divine actually. You are so much into your person either, or your child, your birth. Within a 3 months, I'm sensing, or 4 months, you can get a pregnant over here. You can be the mother of this child. Even your person is thinking to give a birth with you of a child. So I'm also sensing a new beginning very soon. You will get a communication coming around. You are thinking basically. You have to work with your intuition if you're not working. Let's see what your love life needs to say. Who is this person with King of Pentacles? Who is coming around? Why he is in Page of Cups energy? So there is Knave of Wands. And end of the deck I got 8 of Chalices. So this is Queen of Swords. Reverse. I'll take reverse only. And there is Knight of Pentacles. Okay, what I am sensing here, your person can be focused, a very rich man over here. They are very even, they can be even in creative field. So basically, your person will be is getting ready right now to come towards you, but this person is right now in Knight of Pentacles energy. They will be taking a slow move. And why there is Page of Cups? Because this person think you are the one who is harming them. Okay, I'm saying straightforward words over here. You are the one who is harming them right now. This person think you have a knife kind of words. You can hurt anyone by your tongue. So this person has stopped themselves right now. And but soon this person will be coming with you with Knave of Wands, Ace of Wands. Within a month you can get a communication with this person with Knight of Pentacles. So this person will be coming up with you an offer with a stability offer basically. So let's see what your tarot card says regarding your love and career. So basically I'm sensing pile 3 you will get a new beginning. With 8 of Chalices you are dreaming a lot about your person, about your work. So you will be having a new beginning very soon, very very soon with the Wheel and the Empress. So what pile 3 need to hear? Spirit angel, please guide me. What is the outcome of the situation? What is the outcome of the situation for pile 3? Queen of Swords once again. So this was reverse and this is again. So this is like you are rushing also and your person really thinking that you have a sharp tongue. So you need to control your tongue, guys. So that's why this person is not coming towards you. They feel that you are the only victim regarding your love life. You are the problematic woman or a man over here. So this person is stopping themselves. Secondly, I'm sensing your person also wants to dominate you with Queen of Swords. 8 of Wands, reverse. So this person is stopping because of your own language. The way you speak to them, it hurt them. So this person is stopping them to come towards you, to communicate towards you basically. And I'm also sensing like whatever is going around with you regarding your career or life, you are also like rushing a lot. So you don't need to rush or think or get ready. Just move on. You are not able to move on. You think your situation is not moving ahead. So let's see what is there for pile 3. What is the outcome of the situation for pile 3? 9 of Wands. Ultimately, you want to protect yourself. You want to move. You know you are the best and you can get what you want. So there is 10 of Swords, end of the deck. At the end, you will have a new beginning. Whatever you have gone through, thing will be coming around your way. You don't need to rush. You don't need to wait with your mobile all time, waking up at night, pile 3. You just need to move on and make yourself a protection because you know you are the best. Might your person thinking that you have a sharp tongue or you are not the one for them and they are stopping themselves because they think that you are bad, but you're not bad. You know you are the worth of it and you deserve your prize. So you are protecting yourself pile 3 and moving forward, and you will at the end get your wheel coming your way very very soon. Okay, so this was my pile 3 reading. If anything is resonated with you, let me know on comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Keep on subscribe my channel, keep on viewing it, keep on liking it, and keep on sharing it, guys. If you want personal reading, I'm always available for you guys. You can let me know at Instagram at the rate of Tarot with Soumya. Okay, so thank you and take care of yourself. Bye bye.